Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to connect WordPress to GoHighLevel only ways. Start by preparing admin access in both WordPress and GoHighLevel and keep both dashboards open. Install the recommended plugin on your WordPress site and generate an API key inside GoHighLevel. Enter the API key in the plugin settings and test a sample contact sync. If you hit an error, revisit permissions and plugin conflicts before retrying the sync. Next, walk through the setup step by step in a calm, friendly way so you feel confident. Install and activate the chosen WordPress integration plugin, then switch to GoHighLevel to create a new API key with contact and webhook permissions. Return to WordPress, paste the API key into the plugin field, and save. Finally, perform a test contact submission to confirm the sync works and check for any error messages. Before we continue, please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading documentation and notes anywhere, with a glare-free display and long battery life, perfect for learning on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If the connection fails, stay relaxed and methodical while troubleshooting common causes. First, confirm the API key has the correct permissions and that both accounts use admin access. Clear WordPress cache and disable other plugins one at a time to spot conflicts. Use a test contact and enable webhook logging to trace failures. Recreate the API key if needed and rerun the test until the contact appears in GoHighLevel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.